What's up guys, I'm randomfrankp, back with episode 237 of Room Tour Project, the series where we show off some of the best setups to give you some ideas and inspiration for your own setup. And this week we'll have the clean and minimal edition, always a fan favorite. If you see anything you like, I'll have it all listed for you right down in the description so you can check it out. But we'll kick it off now. 237. This episode is sponsored by the Corsair HS70 Bluetooth headset. If you're looking for a wireless gaming headset under $100 that works for it all, Mac, PC, Xbox, PS5, your Switch, your phone, your mom, anything, they got you covered with the HS70 Bluetooth. It's got great sounding custom-tuned 50mm neodymium drivers, a fully detachable noise-canceling unidirectional microphone, and stellar build quality. If you want to check it out, I'll have a link for you in the description down below. First up, liking all the plants here, definitely adds some nice greenery to the setup overall. And Stranaha is going with the single monitor, and as you can see peeking behind it, some things mounted as well. So for his display, it is a Deco Gear 35-inch ultra-wide, and behind it is an Echo Dot and a laptop mounted on the wall, an HP 15-inch EliteBook. So in addition to his gaming PC on the left side, as you can see, the laptop there he can probably, dock in, dock out as he needs. Checking out his peripherals, nice and simple here, especially with that sort of muted color theme going on. The keyboard is the Keychron K6 RGB, and he also has the Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed wireless mouse on an extended RGB mouse pad from Aukey, but you can see in the daytime he keeps it off, nice and simple. At nighttime, the RGB comes on. For audio, way back peeking behind the plants are his speakers, the Logitech Z5, and also hanging off the side of the desk are the Skullcandy Aviator headphones. Also what seems to be a hard drive cage mounted there underneath the desk. And speaking of which, a quick little peek, a pretty good job in terms of cable management, really nothing hanging down onto the floor. Now we could check out the PC over on the left side. This is the Lian Li LAN-cooled 2 mesh case. Inside an AMD Ryzen 5 5600X CPU with the stock cooler, 32 gigs of G-Skill Trident Z RGB RAM on an MSI Mag X570 Tomahawk motherboard with an Asus RTX 3080 Strix graphics card. Definitely a nice and clean looking build, great job with the braided cables and routing them as well. He does have the components on the left side here, since the PC's also on the left, he can't really see it, but then on the right side you could see a little 5-inch display he has mounted on the other side of the side panel, so he could monitor temps, usage, all that kind of stuff. So a definite clean and minimal organized setup, and I like how it's completely different at nighttime versus daytime. They look like two completely different setups, but I'm loving this shot with the chill, earthy vibes it has. Next up, we have Cookie Curls, and yes, this is a female submission. I know we don't get too many of them, so it's really nice when we have this variety of setups, and this one just looks fantastic. I love the organization here. Everything you can see has its place, and it just fits so well together. Checking it out for the solo monitor is a 34-inch ultra-wide from LG. Loving the color matching all around too, from the roses to the matching wallpaper, the mouse pad, the candle. And getting into some of her peripherals, you can see those desktop speakers are the ELAC UB5. And the main set here has a really nice custom keyboard build. It's the Iron 165 FE in white with GMK Olivia Tangerine switches with TX 75-gram springs. Inside's also a copper plate with some dampening foam and a nice color matching custom coil cable. And the mouse is the Model D. Then also in the room, I love her keyboard shelf to have them all on display, and also with accessories and gadgets that complements the look of the build. So just checking some of them out. She's got a TGR Jane V2, a Keycolt #1, Iron 165 FE, another Iron 165, and a 0.9. This is a serious collection. I love how it's on display. And again, everything on that shelf complementing each keyboard. Down to her PC, not too much information in terms of the actual hardware components and stuff, but she does have an Intel i7 5960X CPU with 64 gigs of RAM and an NVIDIA GTX Titan X. This is also in addition to her MacBook Pro 16-inch, which has an i9 processor, 64 gigs of RAM as well, and an AMD Radeon Pro 5900M for graphics. This is also a really nice look from behind the setup. You can see the great job on cable management as well. Everything kept nice and tidy. And then across the room, a 59-inch LG C9 OLED TV. Really nice entertainment center here. Big old speakers. Man, this entire room is just super clean. Even over to the spotless makeup vanity. You gotta love it. So I am loving this setup here from Cookie Curls in addition to the crazy keyboard collection. I'm going to put her channel down below. She does really awesome sound tests of her keyboards and builds, so definitely check it out. But great stuff here. Next is a nice and modern looking dual setup for Minh and his brother. So the dual setup here side by side, all sharing the one massive wooden desk held up by one of those IKEA Alex drawers, I believe, but in black. So I like the faux sort of brick paneling in the back to contrast the black peripherals and accents throughout. So the room, very clean and organized. I'll try to, breeze through these since there's two setups here. For the main, which is the LG Ultra Wide, the nice 34-inch here, the peripherals for this desk setup are the Keychron K2 keyboard with a Logitech G304 mouse, got the Sony CH510 headphones and the JBL Flip 3 SC speaker. The PC is an NZXT H500 with an AMD Ryzen 5 2600 CPU, the Cooler Master Hyper 212 cooler with 16 gigs of G-Skill Trident Z RGB RAM, MSI B450M Mortar Max motherboard, and an MSI GTX 1660 Ti graphics card. And then the brothers build, we'll just flow right along into it. Here we have the Zigmatech Athena case, possibly, with an AMD Ryzen 3 1200 CPU, 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM on an ASRock B450M Pro 4 motherboard, and an ROG Strix RX 570 GPU. But for this setup over on the left side, this is a Dell 27-inch monitor with an RK61 keyboard and the Logitech G102 mouse and the LG X-Boom PK3 speaker. So we don't typically show off dual setups like this because there's just too much gear to get to in the episode format, but I think the way it all comes together here is really nice and simple, so I did want to show it off. And also a little collection of some keyboard builds and stuff. Always appreciate some custom builds, and yes, everybody asking, Switch It Up is coming back soon. So yes, the really nice brother setup here from Minh D. Next is Tom from Byte Review. I'm sure you guys are familiar with him and his channel. I've actually had him on a few times, even a few months ago in 2020. This his 2021 setup going super minimal with just the laptop here. This is the MacBook Pro 16-inch, got an i9 CPU, 16 gigs of RAM, a Radeon 5500M, all docked to this nice wooden laptop stand. But man, just check out the simplicity. I absolutely love it. The monitor itself is a Dell 27-inch. It's their ultra sharp, so it's going to pair real nicely. And for his peripherals, he has a Keychron K2 wireless keyboard with a nice baby blue mouse that's going to complement his wallpaper. This is actually a Microsoft Surface mobile mouse, so funny to see that paired with, a MacBook Pro. Got a nice snake plant, a HomePod Mini, a Link Amiibo, but I just think the color coordination here is 100% on point. From literally, as I just said, matching the wallpaper to the blue in the mouse, some of those like warmer tones from the sand in the wallpaper to pretty much almost the exact color finish for the desktop. And again, another peek around the room, the nice mounted skateboard, the pegboard, everything here you can just tell is done with style. So man, Byte Review killing it once again. I look forward to these yearly submissions of his super clean and minimal setups because he knows what's up. Next up, we got mikeymikes eating his Mike and Ikes with the dual monitor setup here, nice and simple, side by side, very symmetrical as well with that spanned wallpaper. Big old window for the ambient lighting. You guys know I love that. All white desk, all white room pretty much, very clean looking. So for those two displays, they are both identical. They're a 27-inch from Samsung, the SR35. Kept up with a dual mount, as you can see, a great job of cable management as well. Nothing really on the desk, utilizing wireless peripherals. I just want to point out how I love this succulent stand. Down to his peripherals. Man, this is like the keyboard of the series lately. Another Keychron, the K2 V2 with a Logitech MX vertical mouse. And for this shot, I just want to say I'm feeling these vibes here with the cork mousepad, hard drive, earbuds, calendar. Like, this is just a super nice looking shot here. And then on each side of the desk for his speakers, the Razer Nomo 2.0 speakers. And for the PC, this is from Deepcool. It's the MagCube 110 case. Inside's an AMD Ryzen 5 3400G CPU with their Wraith Prism cooler, 16 gigs of Gigabyte Aorus RGB RAM on a Gigabyte B450M gaming motherboard, and the Gigabyte GTX 1660 graphics card. So lots of love to Gigabyte, call that some Giga love. Digging the red and white for the theme inside as well. And then also right next to the desk, utilizing some of that natural light from the big old window, is a display case with tons of collectibles and figures in there. That looks really nice right off to the side. But man, yeah, clean, minimal, ambient lighting. You got the green literally behind the setup with just the trees and the little succulent plant there. So I'm definitely digging it. Fits the criteria. All right, guys, that'll wrap it up for episode 237 of Room Tour Project. Hope you enjoyed the clean and minimal edition. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up to show your support. And don't forget, check the links in the description down below for all the gear and hardware you saw, plus some very simple instructions on how to submit your setup. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at randomfrankp. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I hope you all enjoyed. Have a good day.